welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Today I am hosting the Fall Freestyle along with my girl Debbie from Debbie Cabasa Home Living, co-hosted by Penny's Lifestyle Living, J-Mom Creations, and Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So let's get into it.
Okay, so here I have some of the things that I might use, and in this bin is all kinds of fall florals, so we'll see what makes the cut.
So after giving the front porch a good cleaning, let's move on to the fun part, decorating. I'm coming in with this beautiful fall wreath, and next I have this extra large rug that I used to use in my backyard, and I'm cutting it in half and using it for a rug on my front porch, and I think it looks great out there. Next, I'm coming in with some cushions that I already had on hand and some pillow covers that I thrifted last year. I was going to use them as a back pillow, but I thought better of it and decided to use the pillow covers on my seat cushion, and I think they look so good as a seat cushion. Let me know what you think in those comments. I'm gonna come in with some fall accents, and it's still a little bit warm because I'm doing this video at the end of August. So I don't have my mums and a couple of other things that I want to use for fall. So sit back, relax, and enjoy while I finish decorating this front porch. And I'll meet you at the end to tell you a little bit more about the things I've used. Yes, honey. I am living for this front porch look right here. It is giving me life. So I came in with some fall yard signs and I placed one in my plant, and then I replaced the garden flag that I had with a couple of pumpkins. I added a few of those scarecrow picks into my existing plants because they're still doing quite well. No reason to move them quite yet. I added a couple of pumpkins that I already had on hand. The large ones I believe I got from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, and the Dollar Tree ones I've been collecting for a while. This beautiful fall arrangement, courtesy of the Salvation Army thrift store, and the leaf garlands I placed on my tall lantern. And I think the look is gorgeous. Let me know what you think in those comments. Now, if you like today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much to our host today, Debbie Cabasa, Home Living, Penny's Lifestyle Living, J-Mom Creations, and Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. Thank you so much for joining me, ladies, to present this fall freestyle collab. And I hope this gives you inspiration for your fall front porch. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time.